Do you think you could lift this weight? What about this one? Well, that one might be a bit much, but perhaps it's something to work up to. A great way to build muscle is to make sure your body gets lots of protein. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Some important parts of our body, like our muscles and organs, are made up of protein. So taking in lots of protein is a way to take care of these parts of our body. The protein that we eat helps build and maintain our muscles, organs, and body systems. Basically, protein helps keep our body healthy and strong. Eating meats like chicken, ham, or fish, for example, is a way to get lots of protein. But that's not the only type of food that can provide your body with this very important substance. Foods like beans, nuts, cheese, avocado, and hummus all have protein. There's lots of delicious ways to give your body protein. When you're young, you grow quickly, so protein helps your muscles keep up. It's important to get some protein into your body each day. On average, young kids need about 20 grams of protein a day, but this can differ depending on a child's activity level and size. So, how much protein is in the foods we eat? Let's look at some examples. An avocado has about 3 grams of protein, and an egg has 6 grams of protein. Here are some foods that have even more. How much protein do you think a peanut butter and jelly sandwich might have? A PB&J has about 15 grams of protein. Here's a single serving of Greek yogurt. There's protein in here too. How much? There's around 17 grams of protein in a package of Greek yogurt. Lean meats have lots of protein. How much do you think is in a small chicken breast? Think of a piece of chicken just a little bigger than the size of a deck of cards. This chicken breast would have about 30 grams of protein. Knowing about the amounts of protein in different foods can help you make smart decisions when choosing what to eat. It's a good idea to be sure your body gets at least a little bit of protein when you eat every meal. It can be yummy, and your muscles, organs, and body systems will thank you.
Hey, hey!